Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and you know what? I've been on my deep fryer kick for a while now. So tonight I'm going to deep fry some shrimp and make some po' boys. Some po' boys. All right, so this is going to be quick. It's going to be easy. You know, I don't know if you saw before, but I've had this green chili shrimp that we can get at a grocery store here. It's not real green chili-y, but it has been marinating, so I don't have to marinate my shrimp. I will bread it. We'll deep fry it. The one over there I've got at $3.75 for the shrimp. This one over here I've got at $3.60 because another easy deep fry will be some breaded okra, just the Walmart brand. And I've got some nice soft French hoagie rolls, French sandwich rolls. And now when I make my po' boy, you can either put you know, mayonnaise or whatever kind of sauce. I've got two different sauces. I've grabbed some Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard sauce. I thought that might be good, and I haven't quite decided. We'll see when I build it. The other sauce I got is garlic aioli, so that would probably be good as well. I'm leaning towards the honey mustard, and also one of them I'll probably dip my okra in. Right, so as soon as these are heated up, I'll get the shrimp breaded up and in the fryer, and we'll just get this thing going. All right, for my breading, I'm just going to use, I think, a cup of flour, maybe a cup and a half of flour. All right, and it's not going to be anything fancy. I'm going to add some fresh black pepper. And then, you know, I like my smoked salt that I make, so I'm going to crack some, probably about 2 teaspoons of salt, maybe a teaspoon of salt, smoked salt, and then I'm just going to add in some regular paprika, and just looks like about a teaspoon. Okay, we're going to mix this up. Okay, now I want my breading to be a little flaky. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, it can get flaky just from the liquid that's on your shrimp, but I'm going to add, let's go about a tablespoon of water to my flour. Okay, let's see, it gets all sticky. Now if you break all this stickiness up into small pieces with the flour, you're going to get little flakes of flour that will deep fry really nice. So the little things of flour will deep fry, and yeah, it'll just be delicious. Okay, so just that 1 tablespoon of water to a cup and a half of the flour, and I've been mixing it here for a good minute or so, because, you know, obviously you don't want big, huge flakes of flour, but this makes it chunky. All right, so my oil for my okra is already heated up. The okra is going to take longer than the shrimp, so I'm just going to go ahead and drop that in there. I broke it up, got rid of the excess little flakes. This will take about 5 minutes. Okay, these have been going about 4 minutes. Oh yeah, those look good and done. So I am going to put these on a cooling rack. And we're going to get our shrimp going because while these are cooling off. Okay, so I just put this in a strainer. They weren't really super wet, but I'm just going to drop these in my flour and get these all nice and coated. Just going to dump them all in. Okay, mix them in that flour. Now, you know, if you don't do your flour like this for fried chicken, you probably want to start. Okay. Get a nice coating on this shrimp. I am squeezing them a little bit. And I'm going to get my shrimp in here. See how they got the little flaky bits on there? Now my oil is at 375, so these should only take about a minute. Maybe a tad more, maybe a tad less, but not very long. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to drop the shrimp in. Like I said, this is only going to take about a minute. All right, that's about a minute. Give them a look. Huh, those look good to me. Let me get these on a cooling tray, and we'll fix our po' boy, and take a taste test. Look at that. There's our shrimp with fried okra. Oh yeah. All right, I decided to go with the Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard. So I'm going to lay some of that down quite a bit. I've got some shredded lettuce. Get that on there. Yeah, it's going to be messy. Okay. I'm going to get some pickles on there. A couple of tomatoes. Now for the shrimp. Okay. Now that is a shrimp po' boy right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to drizzle a little more honey mustard on top. Just like that, and we'll top it off. There you go. That is a shrimp po' boy. All right. And, of course, got to get our okra on there, but we'll do a taste test of this. And all right, there you go. Look at that. Got my fried okra. And, oh, what is this? Huh. Well, you know, I was putting pickles on my sandwich, and I thought I have that flour already ready, so I had to fry up some pickles. Fried okra. I love fried okra. All right. Let me see if I can get this sandwich in my hand. And we'll take a bite. Okay, there you go. Let me get a bite of this. I went the right way with that honey mustard. That is really good. The pickles, the tomatoes, the shrimp, loaded up with shrimp. All right. Let me set this down. And grab a fried okra. All right, there you go. Another meal. VEVOR dual tank deep fryer. Link below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Get you one. Let's cook on that thing right there together. You got any good recipes? Let me know. And I'm going to go enjoy that shrimp po' boy, fried okra, and a few fried pickle chips. Have a great day.